Only mature bamboo is chosen for strength and longevity.
Precision at harvest defines quality at every later stage.
Raw bamboo is prepared immediately to preserve its integrity.
Order begins long before the factory doors. From forest floor to industrial scale. Nature slowly gives way to machinery. Here, tradition meets technology. Every load is measured before transformation begins.
The raw journey ends as the industrial process begins.
Inside these walls, raw bamboo begins its transformation.
Automation starts the moment bamboo enters the line.
The raw material meets a controlled industrial environment. Surface impurities are removed with mechanical precision. Water reveals the true surface of bamboo. Moisture is controlled before further handling.
Human judgment still plays a critical role.
Uniformity is essential for downstream accuracy.
Nothing is wasted in a modern factory.
Preparation complete. Transformation begins.
Accuracy at this stage defines structural consistency. Imperfections are refined without weakening the material. Internal structure is engineered for performance. Texture is refined for industrial applications. Fiber alignment ensures predictable strength. Single culms become versatile components. Consistency enables automation. Technology sees what humans may miss. Every edge is engineered. Raw bamboo is now an engineered material. Heat reshapes bamboo at a molecular level. Temperature and time are carefully balanced. Moisture control defines durability. Form is locked under controlled force. Cooling sets the structure permanently. Protection is infused, not applied. Time completes what chemistry begins. Automation ensures repeatable perfection. Individual fibers become structural panels. Transformation is complete.
Precision begins where transformation ends.
Edges define how products fit together.
Surface quality is measured in microns.
Uniform thickness ensures structural balance.
Function meets aesthetic detail.
Protection extends product lifespan.
Heat finalizes the finish.
Quality is verified one last time.
Every product is traceable.
The product is nearly ready for release. Before approval, every batch must prove itself. Precision is confirmed, not assumed. Moisture balance defines long-term stability.
Strength is measured under real stress. Finish quality must endure time and use.
Performance is tested beyond normal conditions.
Safety standards protect both users and environment.
Nothing escapes final scrutiny.
Certification marks readiness for the market.
Only proven products move forward. Protection begins the moment quality is approved. Every surface is shielded for transport.
Stability is engineered into every load. Every destination begins with identification.
Finished products await their journey.
Digital systems track every movement.
From factory floor to global markets. The process is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce bamboo products from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.